Michael D Higgins' comments earlier in the week about the UN and Israel's participation in that. Are those comments welcome? Do you think they're welcome?
Well, I think Ireland is committed to multilateralism. It's a huge step to expel someone from the United Nations, and as you know, I've longed from it through the diplomatic prism when I was in foreign affairs. The last resort is always to keep communication channels open. Now, Israel has been very critical of the United Nations and has sought to undermine the United Nations at every turn, particularly the UN agencies that operate in the Middle East and who do such incredible work from a humanitarian perspective, UNRWA, but also OCHA and other organisations to deal with refugees and others who are in persecution, health, medical interventions and so forth. But that's something that we would have to give careful deliberation to, and certainly our multilateral impulse is such that that's not something we're contemplating right now. Our focus rather is trying to get pressure on Israel to stop the carnage, to stop the slaughter of innocent children and civilians. And we're very much, the UN Commission, which has said that 4 of the 5 criteria for genocide have been met, have really spelt it out in terms of, I think, 90% of housing destroyed, education schools destroyed, health facilities attacked, and then the continuing slaughter of innocent people. This is a genocide, and the key is, I think, is to maintain. And hopefully within the European Union we can do this, and there's a lot of work to be done yet to get agreement on the Commission's proposals. And I welcome President von der Leyen's proposals in that regard. But that's the approach. That's the direction of travel for now.
You said that the United States should be excluded from the UN. Would you agree with that? And do you deem it appropriate for presidents to get involved in Irish foreign policy?
So the Constitution is very clear on where the responsibilities lie in terms of foreign policy, and that's the executive, that's the government, not Uachtar on the Heron. President Higgins has obviously highlighted his personal opinion and reflects on that. For my part, the presidency is non-partisan, it's non-political. You speak for people who are part of parties and who are of no parties. So the president speaks on behalf of the nation in terms of what the president senses from the people of Ireland.
Would you agree with what his comments?
Well, in terms of the United Nations, that's a matter for government policy.